In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva account quickly and easily. If you're sure you want to leave Canva for good, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth as possible. So, let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Canva website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into the account you're looking to delete. Now, the first thing you want to do is locate the settings icon. You'll typically find this icon in the upper right corner of your Canva homepage. It resembles a small cog or gear, and clicking on it will open up a menu with several options related to your account. Once you've opened the settings menu, you'll need to find and click on the login option. This is crucial as it takes you directly to the section where you can manage your login and security settings. It's always a good approach to ensure that you're in the correct account, particularly if you have multiple Canva accounts or if others have access to your device. The next step is to look for an option that says delete your account. Finding this might require scrolling down a bit, but don't worry, it's there. This option is usually located toward the bottom part of the settings, given its significant impact. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you'll be asked to confirm your decision. It's understandable if you have second thoughts here. Deleting your account means you'll lose all your designs and you won't be able to retrieve them once your account is gone. So be completely sure this is what you want. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and follow any final prompts that might pop up. These can be simple confirmation steps just to make sure your deletion request is intentional. And there you have it, your Canva account will be set for deletion. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Remember, deleting your account is permanent, so double check that all your work is backed up if needed before you go through with it. If you have any questions or encounter any issues while trying to delete your account, don't hesitate to reach out to Canva's customer support for assistance. They can offer additional guidance and ensure everything is set up correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, take care and have a great day.